for chicken filet.
What's your people? The BBQ and boy.
So she's gonna make, what do you call that? The brochette. What do you call that in English?
Brochette.
I don't think it's called brochette. I can't remember. Oh, I didn't eat things like this often.
So there I'm gonna take all that away. And there I'm gonna make the bits that are not. Okay.
So she folds it and rolls it. In your dreams. Well, they probably get the bit that Cély's cutting off after.
Okay, now those
From the garden.
we don't want the white stuff inside. No,
I'm gonna keep the seeds to replant. They are green now, but they can go red as well.
And tomatoes, so we have 5 tonight.
So you see, if I would have been doing this, I would have first cut all the meat, then I would cut everything separately, because otherwise I lose myself or I think I forget. It's a shame we don't have onions, otherwise we would have stuck them. We don't have onions today. Anyway,
Soya sauce, okay. Up. But he said,
in fact,
me, I like to put some nutmeg. Sweet.
there you go, soya sauce, nutmeg. Did you put something else in it as well?
Put some cumin.
Cumin. Cumin.
Those Canadian spices. Tiny drop of ketchup. Just to make it a bit more thick, okay? And it's not exactly the same herbs as with the salad dressing. We have romarin, rosemary. We have sarriette. That's really, really tasty. I even put the flowers with it, but I don't put that, it's quite hard. And wonderful thyme, okay? So there, I'm gonna
See how she protects the tips of the fingers when she cuts? I can't do it. But I advise you to practice it.
So I didn't put salt. Why? Because I put
Soya sauce.
exactly.
See, I wouldn't have used that spoon, and it's so much more precise when you use. I would have just gone, and then maybe with the last one you run out of the bowl, you're like, oh.
6 in the afternoon. We're not gonna eat before 8.
So you're gonna put it in the fridge.
Meaning that I'm gonna take all the taste. Okay. That's it. So that's going in the fridge to rest a bit. So those have the right size to be eaten in the barbecue. It doesn't take long to cook.
If you were wondering, just 5 crochet, we didn't use all the chicken. Alright, this is how you make the creme fraiche that goes into your roasted potatoes, your barbecued roasted potatoes. This is what makes the difference.
Do you know that for curcuma to be active, you need to mix it with something greasy. Here it's crème fraîche. It could be olive oil, it could be butter, and pepper. Otherwise, you don't get the benefit of pepper. Curcuma. But we are running a bit, and I don't have fresh one anymore. I'm gonna stick. So,
How much? That's the last bit of creme fraiche.
Yeah.
Just a bit, it's like
Yeah,
a couple of spoons. So she just added some salt.
here we have coriander. We're gonna leave it aside because we have a guest that doesn't like it. Merci. Marjolaine, origan, basilic, and
Tarragon.
tarragon. And there, with my left hand, I think for people that are not used to cut things on the board, that's the best way. Easy, quick, safe way. You have your potatoes cooked in the barbecue. You open them in two, you put 1 spoon of that, and it's just delicious. Voila, I'll go in the fridge for tonight.
Cély stuck the barbecue on foil because I put it on the grill before and then half the sauce disappeared into the barbecue. And when you do it like this, for one, the meat can't stick to your grill, and if you have a sauce, it cooks better in it. You know what I mean? Voilà.
What's your people? The BBQ.